Hey there, water wizards. Get ready to dive into some splashing fun as I reveal 5 mind-blowing water facts. So, grab your snorkels and let's make a splash. Did you know that waterfalls can sometimes flow backwards? That's right, when strong winds blow against the waterfall, it can make the water go back up, defying gravity. Imagine if you could swim backwards like that. Next up, rivers can talk. Well, sort of. Rivers make different sounds depending on their size and speed. Some babble like a baby talking, while others roar like a lion. Isn't that riverific? Now, who doesn't love rainbows, am I right? So did you know that you can make your own mini rainbow at home? Just grab a garden hose, spray it into the sunlight, and voila, you'll be a rainbow magician. Brace yourselves for this one. Water can expand when it freezes. That's why when you leave your juice box in the freezer too long, it explodes. Well, not really, but it sure feels like it when Mom finds out. Last but not least, did you know that water is the only substance that can be found naturally on Earth in 3 different forms? Liquid, solid, and gas. Well, folks, that wraps up our splash-tastic journey through the wonderful world of water. Until next time, keep curious, kids. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe for more.